to save a tourist is what an example what Yuriko has done by putting his own life at risk. Simultaneously, I think we should compliment Nidhi in Walson and his whole team for having nabbed a particular person who was there who attempted to do something which was not required. And ताजेर म्हाका दिसता पुलिसेक नितीन वल्सनाक कॉम्प्लिमेंट करपाची गरज आसा टिमीक. एट द सेम टायम गोंयकार जेणे सेव केला, आय थिंक these issues need to be seriously taken up to ensure that the tourists do not feel insecure. I will personally meet the victim and also the person who has saved post the assembly session. I will go and meet them, but when news काडिल्ल्याप्रमाणे they are बरी आसात ती.
कंप्लेन घेवन सोदिल्लो म्हणून अशें म्हणटा.
ना कंप्लेन घेवन एक्शन घेवन ताका अरेस्ट सुद्धा केलो मरे.
कंप्लेन दिवपाक गेलो जाल्यार घेवनूच सोदिल्लो.
ना अरेस्ट सुद्धा केलो मरे ताका. Within 1 hour he was arrested. I think SP North has acted quite fast and we should compliment what is good is good.
Yeah, but how do you see promoting a tourist?
Every tourism state has its own challenges. आणि असले म्हाका दिसता टेनन्सी व्हेरिफिकेशन करप, हांचे एंटीसिडंट्स पळप, हांचे बॅकग्राउंड पळप इम्पॉर्टंट आसा. पूण सच अनटुवर्ड इन्सिडन्सीस कॅनॉट बी डिस्काउंटेड बिकॉज दिस आर सडनली विच हॅव हॅपन्ड. बट ताजेर एक्शन जे जालें आनी ताजेर इमिजिएटली जे गोंयकारान केलां, आय थिंक दॅट ऑल्सो शूड बी अंडरस्टूड दॅट वी आर देर फॉर आवर टुरिस्ट.